Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Cognito Authentication in your mobile app, complete guide step by step clearly. To install AWS Cognito Authentication in your mobile app, start by creating an AWS account if you don't already have one. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Fill in a name for your new user pool. Select the default settings or customize them as needed. Click Review Defaults to confirm your settings. Then, click Create Pool to finalize the creation process. After creating your pool, go to the App Clients section. Click on Add an App Client to create a new app client. Name your app client and configure the option settings as needed. Make sure to uncheck Generate Client Secret if you're using a mobile app. Click Create App Client to save your settings. Next, navigate to the Domain Name section to set a custom domain for your Cognito user pool. Enter your desired domain name and click Save Changes. Then, proceed to the user pool and app client settings to enable authentication flows. Scroll down to the App Client Settings section. Enable the authentication providers you wish to use, such as email and password. Ensure you save your changes by clicking Save Changes at the bottom. Now, open your mobile app project in your preferred development environment. Install the AWS Amplify library using a package manager like npm or yarn. Run the command npm install AWS Amplify to add the library. In your application code, import Amplify in your main file. Configure Amplify with your user pool details using the following code. Set the auth configurations with your user pool ID, app client ID, and optional region. Create sign-up and sign-in functionalities using AWS Amplify's built-in methods. For registration, use the auth.signup method. For user sign-in, use the auth.signin method in your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.